Hare Krishna, welcome to Radharani's kitchen. Today I am here with a very delicious and healthy recipe of dry fruits laddu. It is sugar free and has a long shelf life. So let's get started with the recipe. Heat 2 teaspoons of ghee in a pan. Then add 1/4 cup of cashew nuts and 1/4 cup of almonds to it and roast until they are crunchy. Once roasted, take them out and keep aside. To the remaining ghee, add 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut and fry it a little. To it, add 1 tablespoon of chopped dry apricots and a coarse paste of the cashew nut and almonds we have roasted before. Mix everything nicely. Now take half cup of deseeded dates. Make a coarse paste out of it and add it to our roasted mixture. Mix everything very nicely until the dates release oil. Our mixture is now ready for making laddus. Take out the mixture in a bowl and make small balls out of it. Our dry fruit laddus are ready. So let's put a tulsi leaf and offer it to the Lord. Prepare dry fruits laddu, offer and enjoy prasadam. Hare Krishna.